All right, guys, so this is number 14 on your scavenger hunt. I had a couple emails of students not quite sure how to approach this. So I'm going to go over it with you, and hopefully this helps you understand it a little bit better. If not, please email me and we can chat about it to make sure you understand it. All right, so once again, it's number 14. So it says if L is parallel to M. So here's L, here's M, those are parallel. Find the measure of CDE. Now I've gone ahead and put an X here just to kind of remind myself this is what I'm needing. All right, so what I really want to do is I want to zone in and look at this figure right here, this pentagon, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a pentagon and my N is 5. All right, so I know this is 90 degrees because this box here. I know this is 115. I don't know these two angles, but I can find them. Okay, so if I first look at this angle here, I know this angle and this angle are a linear pair. They form this line here, so they have to be supplementary. So they have to add to 180. So 180 minus 57 gives me 123. I know this is 123 degrees. Okay? Now, all I need to find is this, and then I could set up an equation to solve x, but I have to know this first. Okay, well guys, if line L and line M are parallel, so here's L, here's M, and I have this transversal, I know that this angle here and this angle here are congruent because they're alternate interior angles. Well, these two angles here and here is the same as this angle here and this angle here. So these two are alternate interior angles, they would be congruent. So this is also 57 degrees. All right. Now I can set up a formula to solve for x. All right. I do have a pentagon. My N is 5. I am looking at interior angles. And so to find the sum of the interior angles, I use the formula N minus 2 times 180. Okay. Well, here my N is 5. So 5 minus 2 times 180, or just 3 times 180, which is 540. Okay, so if I add up all the interior angles of this pentagon, they would all add to 540 degrees. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so I have 57, so 57 plus 123 plus 115 plus x plus 90 equals 540. All right, so if I add 57 plus 123 plus 115 plus 90, I get 385, and then I still have this plus x equals 540. Okay, so subtract 385, I get 155. X equals 155, and that should be my answer.